An emotional day in the Harrigan household.
Yes,
it
was a big day today. You know, when I went to school, we went through 1 to 8. You know, now at the end of 5th elementary, they go to middle school now. So there's a little graduation, a little ceremony that takes place at Stewart Elementary. It was the clap out. The whole entire school clapped the 5th grade class out. Yeah, it was fun. Here's a photo of Emma when she was first in kindergarten at Stewart Elementary on the left. There she was there, and it says first day of school. And then the last day of school, at least for this summer, she starts again coming up in just a few months. Yeah, she got a boot on. She's doing so many exercises, you know, bouncing all over the place. And so she got a little boot on there, but that's supposed to come off in the next week or so, just in time for her birthday. And she'll be the big 11 years old. Stewart star, Emma Gray. She also got the honor roll today. So lots going on. A lot of kids will be out of school now. And, you know, be careful out there driving around. And get a look at this. Max is at it again. Max Winnitz. We know this guy. Benderson Park, he calls this one the Eye of the Osprey, just looking for his next meal right there. Looks like that osprey had a few meals already. Sarasota Bay webcam showing clear skies near the coast. It's been rather quiet here, but boy, rumble of thunder, small hail, heavy rainfall, and frequent lightning taking place into the interior counties of our viewing area. The news is that severe thunderstorm warning we were telling you about earlier has now expired. So they allowed that to expire. It's gone down below severe limits. It's in the central portion of the state right now and continue to push off toward Highlands County. That's not to say we won't see others flare up. This one in particular is really getting quite strong here in eastern portions of Sarasota County. Notice not much going on near the coast at all. That's kind of how it's going to play out tomorrow too, but I think they'll get a little closer to the coast tomorrow due to the fact that the winds aren't all that strong with that sea breeze developing, and that's what's happening with this one. The outflow from these bigger cells created this little one right here, which has really grown within the last half hour, and it's indicating some small hail. It's moving to the northwest, but notice not very fast. So the rain that's falling here, beneficial, but there are lightning strikes outside the rain area, so we have to keep a watch for that for fires. And notice this one just kind of popping up right there near Northport. So I would suspect we'll see other scattered showers developing near the coast in the next hour or so. Rainfall amounts have been rather impressive, over 1.5 inches in some areas in Hardy and DeSoto counties, stretching off to Highlands. The news is a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. And with that in mind, and temperatures warming to 90 each day, we're going to see a little sea breeze. The high pressure is situated just off the coast of Florida. This is typical of a summer pattern. So look for showers and storms to develop every afternoon, especially inland, and then work their way toward the coast late in the day. And that will continue for the next 7 days. Sarasota, 86 right on time, by the way, right? Usually midweek or mid-month of June, but now it's starting early. 86 degrees in Sarasota right now. We have sunshine there, and the high was 90, above average 88. The record 94 set in 2011. We're doing pretty good for the month. We're going to end this month well above average, obviously, but June we start to see those afternoon and evening storms on a regular basis, especially by mid-June. Wind flow, very light tomorrow. That's why we're going to see a little bit better chance for showers working their way toward the coast in the late afternoon and early evening tomorrow. And the forecast does call for scattered showers to develop. Now, the sea breeze gets going about 1 or 2 o'clock. It starts to work from the Gulf inland. At that time, you may see a brief shower here and there. But the real focus of heavy weather will be interior counties and then pushing toward the coast late in the evening. And we'll see that. These showers die out tonight, and then they'll be back tomorrow with sunshine in the morning, interior storms, and then they spread out toward the west late in the evening. Look for that to continue, I think, for the upcoming 7 days. Winds out of the southeast, turning to the southwest at 5 to 10 knots. We'll have seas right around 2 feet and a light chop out there. Water temperature really warm, 86 degrees and 87 for area beaches. UV index will be at 9. Tides upcoming for Sarasota Bay. Low tide at 1:44 and a high tide at 8:35. Partly cloudy, a few scattered storms still possible near the coast. 74 for a low. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, high of 89. Rain chances in 30% near the coast, but 60% and 50% inland areas all the way through the next 7 days. In fact, it looks to be pretty wet. That looks like a typical summer 7-day forecast. Back to you guys.